Here is how to block and report on Happn. Hello everyone, welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can block and report a particular person or a profile on Happn. So let's start. First of all, open the Happn app and log into your account. After logging into your Happn account, you will see profiles of various people on the Explore page. Now if you want to block a particular person, simply scroll below the profile of the person that you want to block. Keep on scrolling to the bottom. At the bottom of the page, you will find the report and block option. Tap on it. As you tap on it, it will ask you to select the reason why you are trying to block the profile. Now select anyone that fits your situation. For example, I'll tap on block for no reason. After you select the reason, tap on continue. As you do that, the particular profile will be blocked on your account. Now you won't be able to see that particular profile or interact with them. So in this way, you can easily block and report on Happn. That's it for the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for similar further videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.